Okay, YouTubers, what do we have today is the Sony Xperia XZ2 or XZ2. This phone was released yesterday here in Germany, but I would like to share with you what we can find inside the box. So without further ado, we're gonna do a straight unboxing for this phone. Alright, let's do it. So basically what I have here is a black phone. This is what I've got. Alright, shiny black one. This is glass, and the frame is aluminum as far as I know. So fast charger, manual. Alright, the earphone accessory, charging cable, and also the adapter for your earphone. These are all the things that you can find inside the box. Thank you.